and welcome to Top Steam Cook, your go-to for time-saving and efficient cooking with Thermomix and Thermomix Friend. My name is Evelin and I'm a food engineer. This channel is my private passion project to share my know-how. So come and join me today and take a look into TM5 and Thermomix Friend connectivity and firmware update.
TM5 has no Bluetooth connectivity, so you cannot connect TM5 and TMF. It is mandatory to update the Thermomix Friend firmware update initially. So in order to update your Thermomix Friend, you need to download Thermomix Friend app. You can download it from Google Play or Apple App Store to your phone or tablet. Once you have the app downloaded, open the app on your phone or tablet. Make sure Bluetooth and your location access is available. Click on the app and install it. During this time, turn on your Thermomix Friend. Once the app is downloaded, open it on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure that the Bluetooth and your location access is available. As you can see, your Thermomix Friend is found. The number behind the name are the last 7 digits of your serial number to identify your Thermomix Friend. Click on your suggested Thermomix Friend. Now on the screen you're getting a really nice explanation how to continue. Click on Connect. A connection request appears and click on Connect. Compare the shown code on Thermomix Friend and your smartphone or tablet. If it is the same, click on Connect. Confirm the connection through clicking on the Thermomix Friend rotary. The connection is successful when a Bluetooth and smartphone icon appears above the timer on your Thermomix Friend display. Then follow the app for needed firmware updates. In the future, the app will recognize your device automatically.
So now you're set up and can start cooking. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take a look at the following videos for more Thermomix Friend infos and recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends so that you don't miss anything. See you in the next videos.